What's up guys? We are back with the Caferacer build. It's been a long time, but now we're ready to send it and it's gonna be done in a couple of videos. So check it out where we are right now. As you can see, the bike is a little bit back together. The brake is back on it. It's silver gold. We wanted to make the frame and the suspension all black. And the rims are a little bit blackish. They are black grayish. Maybe you cannot see it on video. Engine we are still going to clean up a little bit afterwards. Check it out and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.
So here you see us putting back the headlights and the blinkers. We're also putting the electrics back together how they were originally. Once they will be back together and the bike is starting, we're going to fix up the little badly wired or just broken because of the age of the bike.
The video of today. As you can see, the bike is starting to look like what is going to be the end result. We still have to do some electrical stuff and some other bits and parts that need to be put together again. But yeah, this is basically what the bike is going to look like. So take a look, and this is the end of the video. See you for the next video, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.